Smarter than the average house. Would you say that you live in comfort? Do you have machines around the house to make your life easier? Do you know how clever a house can actually be? What is a smart house? When you are out of the house, does your fridge call the supermarket to order food you have run out of? Or does your heating system communicate with the bath? When you get back home, does your house recognize you and say hello? The chances are your house doesn't do these things. But for the house of the future, all this and more is possible. Researchers say that technology will change your home in a way that you can only dream of. Nanotechnology will clean your windows, smart spoons will check how hot or cold your soup is, and the walls will sense if there is anyone in your garden. Imagine living in a house like this. Your electrical appliances will be smarter too. You won't need to check to see if the food in your fridge is fresh. The fridge will do it for you. The next generation of fridges will use the internet to get in touch with the supermarket to order some more. Payment will also take place online. So the days of popping out to the supermarket to buy a carton of milk will be over. You are on your way home after a long and tiring day, and the only thing you're dreaming about is a hot, relaxing bath as soon as you get home. No need to worry. In the house of the future, just text a message to the heating system and it will have warm water ready by the time you get in the door. It may even have the water running, so as soon as you walk through the door, you can jump in the bathtub and relax. And there is more. Scientists say that even the doorknobs in our future homes will be intelligent. If, for example, you are carrying some heavy bags, then a smart doorknob could open the door for you. And it could also lock all the doors of the house and contact the police if a burglar tried to break in. Living in a smarter house will make life safer and a lot easier. People will have more free time to relax and do the things they really enjoy. How soon do you think this future will become a reality?